today we're at the Master Investor Show in London to show awareness to what we're trying to achieve here at Waste-to-Energy Solutions. We've been talking to a great deal of people and the feedback has been very positive.
Where we've come from in bringing the Waste-to-Energy Solutions together is expertise.
The core ethos of Waste-to-Energy Solutions is to stop sending waste to landfill.
To actually introduce large-scale waste-to-energy now is becoming increasingly difficult. Waste is being transferred from 40, 50, 60, 70 miles away. So you've got a footprint of large vehicles transporting waste with a big, huge carbon footprint thereon. So what we've set out to do is actually to create localized waste-to-energy solutions. Using waste as a resource, we're taking the waste after it's gone through the recycling process and all the recyclables taken out of it. We're then taking that as a resource to actually fuel a smaller scale waste-to-energy plant that produces not only electricity, it produces heat. So there's two benefits. One is the power, of course, and increasingly demand for renewable energy power. But heat can be used for things like district heating. It can be used for reversing the heat into cooling. So you could have things like data centers or refrigeration plants. So all of that is efficient use of power by using localized waste as the resource to actually generate the power.
We can put a whole project together from start to finish, from finding the right land to getting the right planning, getting the right feedstock suppliers, getting the right technology, which is important, the right financial wrap from an EPC, and also the right off-taker.
Quite exciting because it's dealing with a topic that none of us really want to look at, and that's our household waste.
I have vast experience working with local authorities and their needs for waste solutions, and combining the waste as a resource and actually generating heat and power. It's a natural progression as to where we're leading today.
These days we produce ridiculous amounts of household waste. We're running out of space to put it. Landfill is filling up. The Chinese won't take any more of it. We're shipping stuff off to Africa.
Our solution is actually to integrate the waste to be a service back to the whole community locally.
I've been working with various technologies, and one thing I've learned over these years is that the technology has to be proven and bankable.
Smaller scale plants that don't cost a fortune to actually develop, but they're affordable, and actually the returns even for the investors of the smaller scale produce such good IRRs. So we believe that WES is well placed to tap into that market and actually be the future for the way that waste to energy is considered.
This is a business which is investable, okay, which will make energy, which we believe there'll be a shortage of energy in the coming years. We think we're pivotal to making that happen.